Hello everyone. Just thought I'd show Foxy. She hadn't been in a video in a while. And show you also my clouds. There's definitely rain in the area. A friend of mine in town said it's raining up there. I heard some thunder too. Hopefully we get a good downpour here. Always use some rain on the farm. Yes, we can. Isn't that right, Foxy? What you looking for, huh? What you up to, girlfriend? See, I'm always up to something, Mommy. Yeah, I gotta find something I can chase. I saw 4 of the biggest jackrabbits today on our walk. They were huge. I don't know if you can hear that, but it is rumbling over here. Looks like it's coming down over that way. God bless everyone. Stay safe. Put your trust in Jesus. And see you next time. Bye-bye.